Start in good posture, shoulders back and down, crown up towards the sky, chin parallel. One hand on the chest, one just below the ribs. Breathing in and out through the nose, aiming that in-breath to the lower hand. So interlace the fingers, palms up towards the sky, lengthen the arms, and then very carefully come over to the side. So bring the arms down, then lengthen, and then lean into the other side. Come in center, arms down. So inhale, lengthen, exhale to the side, inhale to the middle, exhale, arms down. Inhale, exhale over, inhale back, exhale down. Now inhale and we'll twist on the exhale. Inhale back, exhale down. Inhale, exhale twist. Inhale, exhale down. Inhale, exhale twist. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale twist. Inhale, exhale. Bring the arms down. So roll the shoulders back. And then forwards. And hands on the shoulders, circle with the elbows. And the other way. Full arm circles. So inhale up, exhale back. The other way. So inhale, exhale down. Now take the left arm forward, right arm back. Right forward, left back. Now bend that left elbow, take the right hand to that elbow. Remember, don't strain the back. Only go as far as feels comfortable. And just swing in the arms. Right arm up, bend the elbow, left hand to the elbow. And swing in the arms. Left arm up. Then try and bring the right hand behind. If you can, clasp the fingers together or wherever you get to. And swing in the arms. So right arm up, left hand behind. Trying to get those fingers to meet. And big circle out in front. Drop the head down. And taking the arms behind and lifting the arms. Take the left arm across the body, squeeze it in, look over that left shoulder. And then to the other side. Alright, so balance pose. We're going to try tree pose. So you can either bring the foot up to the calf or right above the knee into that inner thigh. It's wherever you can get to. So you can either keep the hands to the chest, out to the side, or reaching up to the sky. So wherever stage you're at, remember, keep the belly button squeezed in. other side. Remember, sometimes one side's easier than the other, so just give it a go, see where you're at. Remember, use that focus point, something still to stare at. Trying to keep the knee pushed out to the side. And we'll bring the arm down. So, one more each side. Try and relax into the breathing if you can. And bring the arms down and do one more. So just building up step by step. And try and lengthen out the breathing. And we're coming down. So we'll do a standing pose, warrior two. So turn that left foot 90 degrees. Back foot angled, bending that front knee, hips, shoulders facing forwards. Now bring the arms shoulder level and just gently turn the head. Again, just see if you can relax into the pose. And turn the feet around. Try and keep the shoulders relaxed. Bring the arms down. So we'll do one more each side. So maybe see if you can sink a little bit deeper. But remember, don't strain, nothing should hurt. Keep breathing. And last one. Come back to the good posture. Shoulders back and down. Crown up towards the sky. Chin parallel. One hand on the chest. One just below the ribs. Breathing in and out through the nose. So we're aiming the in-breath to the lower hand. Trying to feel the heartbeat with the upper hand. And just see if you notice the body relaxing, the breathing slowing down. Now bring the arms down and we're all done.